Hi guys, welcome to the last 2 weeks of school. It's crazy, I know. Monday was Memorial Day. I'm assuming probably yesterday since you're watching this. So happy Memorial Day, but we have a few more things to complete, and I thought let's keep this fun and have a little bit of a celebration. I know you guys have always been asking, can we do a creativity unit at the end of the year? You guys did one in 6th grade, you wanted to do one in 7th grade, so hey, let's do an at-home creativity project. This one's going to be fun. So for the last 2 weeks, here's my proposal to you. You are going to read through the at-home creativity challenge, select at least one activity that you want to do, and then you are going to post it on Google Classroom at the end of the week. So what can you do for your creativity project? Here it is. You have this page on Google Classroom right now that you'll need to open and read through. But to kind of summarize this for you, here are some of your challenge options. You could build a Rube Goldberg machine. If you're not sure what it is, you can look it up. I bet most of you do know. So if you want to do that with your family, go for it. That would be so cool. Create some amazing chalk artwork on your sidewalk or driveway. Everyone's doing it. Put some positive messages out there. Do something fun. Spread your artistic talent. I love this one. This one's probably one I would pick. Build a fort or a tent out of supplies you have. Like, think back to when you were a toddler and you were building those forts out of blankets and chairs. Go bigger, go better, do something a little different, a little clever. It can be inside, outside, whatever. Love this one. Create a family dance party using decorations, make a music playlist, share that with us, and have a dance party with your family. So that sounds like a lot of fun. You could bake and creatively decorate a cake, cookies, cupcakes. I know some of you have been on a crazy baking binge right now, so have fun with that one if you choose to do that. You could design a new game to play. It could be a board game, an outdoor game. I'm even okay if it's a computer game, a scratch game, whatever it is. Have fun with that. Or you could create a photo journal. Some of you are very into taking photos. You could do that. You could put it on Google Slides or however you wanted to do it. You could even add your photo journal into your website that you developed. I know for some of you that would work really well with your websites. You could create a new design for a paper airplane and measure how far it can fly. Keep testing it, trying to improve your distance on that one. You could write a fictional story based on your experiences of the last 8 to 9 weeks. Some of it could be true, but maybe embellish, elaborate a little bit, have some fun with that. Or if there's something else you want to do that's not on this list, talk to me. I will probably approve it if you put some thought into it. So each challenge is out of a possible 15 points, but this is a competition. The more activities you do, the better you do with your activities, the more creative you are, the more points you will earn. So the person at the end will maybe get a little surprise sent to their home from Mrs. Palazzi. So I suggest that you give this your best effort, have fun with it, and get creative. So one last thing, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one, but I will say those websites were amazing. Guys, I know like I sent you a glowing email about how impressed I was. I did not expect to see the work out of you guys that I did on that one. So thank you. I know you guys are stuck at home. It's not easy to stay focused and work hard. But wow, did you guys do a phenomenal job. I sent a lot of those websites on to the building principals, Mr. Yan, Mr. Shover, Mr. Brockman, and they are equally as impressed. Mrs. Richard wanted to see them. She had heard me mention about them and I sent them to her. So your teachers are starting to get wind of it and they are impressed too. So guys, thank you for putting so much effort into those. Some of those, guys, you should put into the real world. Like, let your friends and family and everyone know what you did because those were awesome. So thanks for doing a great job. Have fun with the creativity challenge, and we have one more week after this left, so I will have one more video recording for you next week. But until then, have a great week. See you, bye.